Hello everyone, Troublesome Trucks back here again with What's New 14 I think, and today we are outside. It's kind of a nice day. It's like the first day of summer, so 2023, so yeah. Pretty kind of hot outside. I'm not sure how the sun's gonna be with the glare and everything, but we got some stuff. Actually got this back in September or October last year, but I'm only just into it now. So it's a huge TrackMaster bag for $15. That's what that tag says. So it's not even in a frame. Gosh, right there, $15. Sorry for any background noises, but let's just get into it. And yeah, that's everything. So I saw we had some engines in here, and we're going to take a look at them and check and see if they work. So we got two Thomases. So got this one here, 2012, 2009. I feel like it's more 2012, but it's not what it says on the bottom, so I'll just go with that. It has the hole there for they shortened the wheelbase, I guess. I don't know why, but pretty good condition. Eyebrows a little scuffed up. Yeah, I have this other Thomas. Eyebrows a little bit better. Side view. A few chips on the cab roof. This one work? Nope. This one? Oh, barely. His battery's weak. We got Sir Handle here. Glad. My Sir Handle's lost his stickers and everything pretty much, so funnel's a little chipped. His eyebrow might need a little fixing. Few chips here and there, but nothing major. He doesn't work either. And then we have a Victor. I have 5 Victors at this point. I don't even know why. This one might be in the best condition though. I'm not sure. It always has this line in a bit faded and worn. Stickers, not too bad. That's my dog Millie. Oh, and he works, and he actually has some strength and speed to him. Let's just check this Thomas. Put some fresh battery in here. A little dusty. No corrosion though. I think that was the one that barely worked. Not super strong, but he has some speed. A little noisy, but there's that Thomas. This one doesn't work at all. Okay. Oh, this battery's in backwards. Huh. Does it work forwards? Oh, barely. Alright, put that battery there. Fresh one. There, that's better. Top back on. And then we'll take a quick look at the destinations, and I'll build a little track, and we'll run some trains. So, Sir Handle, I don't think worked. Nope. Okay. That out of there, and he works. The good amount of speed too. And I know Victor worked, but we're also gonna put a fresh battery in him, since it's been sitting there for about a year, maybe, I don't know. But kind of surprised these haven't corroded. And Victor still has as much life as it does. Put that there. They have 4 different kinds of batteries. Oh my gosh. And oh yeah, he is speedy. Looks like he has some hair around this piston though. And so, oh my gosh, he has a hair on his other wheel too. They're gonna have to clean that up, but he's still working pretty speedy, but could be one of my faster engines. We got 2 Thomases and 2 narrow gauge engines, so must have had these for a while since these sets haven't been out in a while. Did 10 years, so we got the Runaway Boulder set. When I first saw this, I was really excited because I had actually been looking into buying a Runaway Boulder set, but I hadn't, and luckily I didn't, because now I have this here. So there's like a boulder. I don't think this is the one that came with it originally, but boulder goes up there, and then something like, I think like their handle is supposed to like stop or something. I'm not sure. Boulder falls and it rolls there, and then can lift up the gate and he rolls away. So yeah, pretty nice. Some people don't like it. Can you take this? It's like a, feels like it should be a mining bore there. Oh, gosh, this sun. But you should be able to spin this. There's some unpainted detail there. Nice rock falling sign that can turn for some reason, so you can see it from all angles, I guess. Drop barrier that only has a sticker on one side, not the other. I'm not sure if it fell off or just didn't have one. And it is from 2011, about that time. So sounds pretty reasonable. We got this station. I think this was like Marin or something. It has like some adverts here, train times, some people in the window, people in the station, train times. It has some unlegible writing there, some more people, and another advert, and same there. Nothing on the back. Can't pull it out without unscrewing the bottom. This is also from 2009. And then we got this tunnel. I think these pieces and one of the Thomases was from like a 5-in-1 set, or 3-in-1, or 4-in-1, and it's pretty cool. So you got a tree tunnel. Doesn't seem to have a date, but you can just have it as a tree tunnel, and engines can go through it. Oh, for gosh sakes. But Thomas can take a nap under there. You have this piece. It has some rocks and stickers peeling. It says caution and like train mine and land mine. Land mine. Yeah. No. Or Callan Mine, I think that's what it's supposed to say. Maybe this is Callan Station. That's probably it. Maybe that station came from this set. Some green and brown, or like a mountain. Oh yeah, it says Callan Mine and caution over here. So this has 2009 right down there, right here. So there's that. And then we got this bridge piece, which isn't anything too special. It just has some blue girders and a track piece in the middle. And we got one freight car. I think this came with a Victor. I forgot. Victor is 2009, and Sir Handel, I'm not sure, but he's 2010. And we got some flexi track here, straights, a few switches, some riser tracks. These screwdrivers that must have actually got dropped in there. And yeah, so if you just give me a minute, I'll build up a small track and we'll run some trains. So just hold on 1 minute. Quickly, I just want to show you, you can't even see it, but it's called the Thomas TrackMaster 5-in-1 Great Railway Set, for anyone who wants to know. So yeah, there it is. I'm going to get back to building now. Alright, ignore the bird noises, but I have a track set up. I just combined everything. Oh wait, we have the tree tunnel. I'm just going to put it like right there. Yeah, So we got a station over there, and it comes around, and then switch there. The Boulder goes around. There's a siding over there with the bridge and the tree tunnel, which goes around. And there's also a spiral for the mountain. So let's just get engines on there. I'll just truck over there. We got Thomas, Sir Handel, Victor, and Thomas. Oh, Thomas crashed already. Oh, Thomas. You know what? He can go this way over the hill. Oh, he's back in front. Barely missing Mr. Handle. Oh, stop, go. Right. Thomas has a bit of a noisy gear. Sir Handle might be catching up to Thomas in the back. Now they go through the tree tunnel. Oh, Thomas is going off-roading. And what's going to happen with Sir Handle? Oh, he just gets shoved aside. Alright, Thomas is going to, if you can get on the track properly, thank you. Oh, nice. I'm just going to get the camera off the tripod. Got Victor pushing that Sir Handle. Let's put Victor in front. And then over here by the boulders, we got Thomas and another Thomas. And there goes Victor and Sir Handle. We'll just have one of the Thomases stop here. Oh wait, I think it's going the wrong way. Ah, whatever. Stop. Nope, doesn't work. Alright, everyone, click stop. Alright, so we're going to have Sir Handle go this way, and then I think he'll just go here and stop. Oh, and the boulder falls down and into the spot. I don't think. I'll just try that again. Set Sir Handle up here. And I think this boulder is a bit too light for this, but right now have Sir Handle go on his way. Let's try Victor from this side, and the ball is off the steps. Do you make him go? Do you have to lift up the sign yourself? Okay, Sir Handle just pass by. Alright, I'm not sure if there's a way, or you have to lift up the. Thought the sign might do something, but it's like it doesn't put. I'll get Thomas to go. And go again. Now we'll go with Thomas. And it's off, and what happens with Sir Handle? There's stop. And ball just falls. Alright, I'll just have Thomas to do it from a helicopter point of view. Let's slide Victor back. And you shall not pass. And it's off. Alright. Thomas is going to do it one more time. And now I'm just gonna have everyone go the other way. Oh, whoops, that's not good. I got a strongest engine. Actually, now let's go the other way, because we want to see the Boulder set. And, oh, for God's sake, Victor. Promises. Oh, we need a shot of the station. And the handle goes by Victor, Thomas, and Thomas. And the tree tunnel. And the Thomases. And Thomas is off, and he's on a ride again. Oh gosh. Oh dear. The track's hanging precariously over the edge. Let me just get Thomas back on. Will Sir Handle survive it? Oh, he does. And Victor? Yes, indeed. Here goes the Thomases. Alright, I'll just fix that. And over here by the side ends. And I think this is a good stopping point. And Thomas is shunting the truck. Alright then. We have, I guess that's it for this video. Pretty happy with this What's New. $15, I think it was pretty good, since I didn't really know I needed this set, but it's pretty nice. That tree is cool. Nice Callan mine without the stickers, and Callan Station over there. Very happy about Boulder Mountain and another Sir handle. Haven't quite a lot of Victors and Thomases, but you know, we'll take it. And some extra track, more flexi track too, so that's nice. And I think this is a pretty nice layout. There's a full thing. And yeah. Cool bridge here too, but anyways, I guess this is it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. And there's Millie over there. Millie the dog. Say bye, Millie. Oh. Oh, it's Millie. Arr. Millie. Arr. Look at this dog. Alright.